Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look at Skullcandy Smokin Buds headphones. About the product. Initial setup and pairing support. Pair to a second device. User controls. Auto power on and off. Power on. Power off. Play and pause. Pair new devices. Answer, hang up, reject, and incoming calls. Volume up. Volume down. EQ mode, change. Resync earbuds. Reset the paired device list. Charge earbuds. Charge the case. Buds and case not charged properly? Activate your voice assistant. Solo mode. Fit. Features. Troubleshooting. Having trouble? Don't return to the store and let us help. No audio in one ear? Step 1. Pairing issues? Reset your earbuds by clearing the device paired list with the following instructions. Step 2. FAQs.
Warnings.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.